go so early with the bus, so the metro stations are empty. It's a good tip. Go early so you don't need to be in the rush hour with the luggages. So now we're taking a metro from Bencoolen to Chinatown. Then we're gonna change the purple line and we go to Harbour Front, whereas the bus to Malaysia is going. And the metro just come.
Chinatown Interchange. 牛车水 Please mind the gap. 请小心空隙 We're happy everyone platform.
The exit B from the metro, and you head up that way, and then you turn left, and the bus stops are that way. We're still waiting the bus. I think that it might be a little bit late. The conductor of the bus is already here, but we cannot see the bus yet. But maybe it comes soon. And here is our bus arriving. We have a seats up there. Entertainment center, lights, views for the whole trip, and pretty comfortable chair.
Jenny choose the right bus.
Yeah, and the right seats. So this also has a table here. We're gonna have a lunch served in a bus. The entertainment system has quite a lot of kind of movies. Push home. We also have music, games, photos, company profile. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So now we have cleared the border from Singapore to Malaysia. It was a pretty easy process. We did the arrival card online in advance yesterday, so it was just basically normal passport control in the Malaysian end. Yeah, pretty easy. And now we have like between 5 to 6 hours to Kuala Lumpur. And yeah, about this bus, the tickets cost about 159 ringgit, so it's about maybe 30 euro, so it's pretty cheap. And yeah, it's include meal and water, and yeah, it's pretty good. 100 kilometers to Kuala Lumpur. So the meal is pretty spicy, or actually a little bit spicy. But it's really good. Nice views. We getting really close to the Kuala Lumpur now. It's like half an hour, under half hour anymore to there. Let's see the views.
Jonas, the carrier.
So we finally arrived at the hotel. The check-in is 3 p.m. and about 50-minute wait, but we can wait. They also have nicely a shop down in here, straight on the lobby there. This is how it looks. Got big TV. We have a kitchen, freezer, fridge, and we have a pretty big bedroom. Good view. We have access from here to the bathroom and shower. Looks pretty nice. Let's check the view. Now we're going to KLCC metro stop to buy metro tickets, and then we're heading somewhere with the metro. The machines only sell single tickets, so we will go to the counter. So we got our travel cards. It cost us 90 ringgits for 3 days for 2 person.
Do you want to wait for the train pass by?
First thing we come to eat is Chinese beef roti. Let's go.
One or two.
Maybe just take 2.
Eet met tavuk mu?
famous roti, beef roti, and it's just fried. It's really hot, so I think we cannot just eat now because it's just out from the frying.
It's pretty hot.
Oh!
Oh! It's crispy.
Haven't go to the meat yet.
Yeah, it's kind of reminds me of some Finnish pastaya, like a pastry with the meat. Definitely too hot to eat yet. Have to save it for later. So let's try the beef roti. Have been cooled down a little bit now. Still pretty hot. Yeah, it's pretty okay for the price.
It's about 6.5 for beef and 5.5 for the chicken.
It's pretty good. Really good.
We go to the right environment. We go to the right environment.
Yeah. Now we're going to eat dinner.
Bak Kut Teh.
If we can find the place. It's kind of hidden. Kuala Lumpur. We found a restaurant. Actually, we went to the back at the moment ago, but yeah, nah. Here it is.
Does this go with rice or it's just a soup?
I think it's just a soup. Back to near the pavilion. Jenny want to go to see some perfume shop in there, and maybe we do some shopping also. Let's see what we can find. Basically, this is Jenny's first time in Kuala Lumpur.
First time is in 2008, which is 17 years ago, which is now I think is totally different from now, I guess.
Yeah, and that have been with the group tour in here. I haven't been here before ever, but it seemed that it's not really flat city.
Yeah.
It's have uphill and downhills, and yeah, distances are much more longer than they look on the map. So if you come here, prepare to walk. Even they have a pretty good metro system. But distances are big. Jenny went to get herself a bubble tea